Hey, wake up. We've been riding around, walking. Wake up, because when we get home, that's when you need to sleep. But you want to stay up the house. Hey. Hey. He is kaput. We have walked him. He's walked to the park, had a good time. No, you gotta wait till you get home and go to sleep. Come on, open them eyes. Open them up. Open them up. We still in the car. Yeah. Because when you get home, you be having all the energy turn up the house most of the time. You want to get home and go to sleep for a change. Yeah. You hear me? I know you sleepy. No, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. No, I know. Don't look at me like that. You know what I'm talking about. No, I know, but you're sleepy, but no, I know. I know. Oh, no.